In this video, I'm going to tell you how I made a bunch of dropshipping sales completely by accident and how you can make sales in your sleep without building a Shopify store or spending a single dollar on ads. And when I say I made sales, I mean actual orders came in, real customers, real money, and I wasn't even trying to sell anything. Here's what happened. Over the last few months, we've been building our eBay integration. So now you can sell on eBay directly from Sell the Trend. And if you're a Shopify or Sell Shop seller, you know how that game works. You add products to your own store and you drive traffic using ads, organic, or any other method that you want. But eBay is different. It's a marketplace, which means the traffic comes to you. While we were developing the integration, the dev team hit me up and they're like, hey, Rush, eBay doesn't really have a testing sandbox. We need to set up a real store with real banking information to test out the order flow. So I'm like, cool, here's my credit card, set one up. So they create an account and start pushing products from Sell the Trend into the eBay store. So a few days go by and I get this email from eBay. Basically, it's your account is about to be suspended for not fulfilling orders. And I'm like, orders? What orders? So I log into my eBay account and yeah, I can see there's orders sitting there that are waiting to be fulfilled. So people bought products, those products that we were just throwing on there to test, people had actually bought them, paid for them, and now my account was about to be suspended for basically sleeping and not fulfilling those orders. And we were literally just testing out the system. So we weren't running any ads, we weren't designing any store, there's no store to design, just raw market demand. And that's when it hit me. Most of us are used to building our own stores. We're obsessed about making sure that our Shopify or Sell Shop store looks pretty, setting up upsell apps, running TikTok ads, and we are completely sleeping on the traffic that is already happening inside marketplaces like eBay. And you know what's better than spending $500 on ads? Getting free traffic from people that are already searching for the exact product that you're selling. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do marketplace selling using Sell the Trend. This is the ultimate set it and forget it channel that you are probably not using. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect your eBay store to Sell the Trend, push handpicked winning products with just one click, how to tweak your product title for maximum effect, and how to price your items correctly on eBay. Because one of the reasons that we got all of those sales is because our prices were lower than the competition. And later in the video, I'll share a cool little pricing trick you can use to dominate your eBay competition without losing your shirt in the process. Before we jump in, if you want more of these behind the scenes breakdowns, hit that like button and subscribe. That's how I know you want me to make more videos like this one. All right, let's do this. First thing, let's connect our eBay store to Sell the Trend. Let's click on the Create or Add Store. Now you can connect your Shopify, WooCommerce, or TikTok Shop, but for this, we want to click on Connect eBay. And now we need to choose our marketplace. I'm in Canada, so I'm gonna pick that and then click on Connect Store. Now, once I do that, it will take me to eBay to authorize the link between Sell the Trend and eBay. I'm gonna enter my info and click on Agree. It only takes a couple of seconds and we're connected. Okay, now that we connected our eBay store, next step is we're going to add some winners to our store. On the left, you can see a bunch of tools that can help us find trending products for our store. So, for example, if we click on the Nexus AI and then click on that trending filter, this is gonna show us new products that are trending around the world. Now, if we click on product research, we'll be able to dig deeper into each product and see a bunch of details like the price that we can buy the product from the supplier, as well as the price that we can sell this product on our store. And you can also see a bunch of other details. Now, let's check out another way to find products, which is the hand-picked winners. These products are picked by a team of experts that pretty much that's all they do every single day. They hunt for brand new products and bring in fresh products that are popping on social, on the app platforms, and other stores. Now, if you're new to this page is pretty much your cheat code. Now, you can choose any products on this page you really can't miss. Now, let's click on one of these products and add it to our eBay store. Here you can see the images and the pricing, which we will be customizing coming up a bit later. And at the bottom, you can see the supplier for this product. And here is the best part, that once orders come in, Sell the Trend is gonna allow us to fulfill those orders with a single click. So you don't have to jump to any other tools to do this. Now we're ready and we just click push to store, and that's it. In a couple of minutes, the product will show up on our eBay store. Now let's look at how we should write product titles that will actually rank on eBay and bring us that organic traffic that we want. Now, the first thing I want to show you is how the top selling listings on eBay are structuring their titles. So first thing, let's put a keyword that is going to match the kind of product that we want to sell. For this example, I'll put in shoes. Next thing, we only want to look at listings that have sales. This means these listings have actually sold on eBay, and for this, we want to select those options from the left menu. Now, take a look at the pattern of these titles, and you will see something very common in how all of these titles are being structured. They're pretty much all starting with the brand name, then the model name, then the size, and then the features and any other specifics at the end. Now, unlike Shopify or Sell Shop, where you are writing titles that are there to elicit a feeling, like for example, Wonder Shoes, feel comfortable at work, on eBay, it's all about the details in the titles. So let's go back to Sell the Trend and apply this formula. So let's put in the title like Nike, Air, Zoom, Pegasus, 39 men, 10 running shoes. So let's break down this formula. Here we have the brand name in the beginning, followed by the model name and the number if it has one. Then the size, and at the end, we will describe what the product is. In this case, it's a running shoe. And then, and this is important, we add the word new at the end. This shows that the item is new, because on eBay, you can also sell used stuff, and we want to make sure that our buyers understand that this is a new item. Now, a quick pro tip is to use all 80 characters that eBay gives you for the title. That's because eBay is tuned to use the title for search results. So we want to maximize the title field as much as possible. And that's how you make your listing stand out in eBay using this effective eBay title formula. Now, with the title optimized, let's move on to pricing our items for maximum effect. So let's say we are trying to sell this power bank. First thing we want to do is to go to eBay and locate a similar item. Then you want to go to the left-hand menu and choose sold items. The idea here is to locate the price that the same product has previously sold on eBay. This eBay feature is great because it allows us to kind of do like a live investigation of the typical selling prices for any product on eBay. So from here, you want to take the average of the last 10 to 20 sales. And that's pretty much your baseline. Now we go back to Sell the Trend, and here's the trick. You want to price your product just below the average price we found on eBay. Now, make sure you maintain a healthy profit margin when you are doing this, right? You don't want to race to the bottom. Now, if you find that you can't compete on price on eBay because, for example, you can't find a supplier that will give you a good price on the product and you can't maintain a healthy margin, then just move on and look to sell something else. Now, this is crucial because on eBay, you're competing against other sellers directly. This is not like if you are listing the item on your own Sell Shop or Shopify, where you are the only price that the customer sees. Here, the buyers can see your listing right next to all the other listings. So you can see that pricing on eBay is super important. And for this, I'm going to show you the school feature on eBay that will help you dominate your competition by automating your pricing changes. This is a new feature and it's super effective. So this is the auto price reduction feature. The way that I recommend using this is first set your price to the average price that the item has sold previously on eBay, like I showed you a bit earlier. Now, what we can do here is to set this so that if the product does not sell within, let's say, 3 days, then eBay will automatically reduce the price, but up to a minimum price limit. So for example, in this case, we want to reduce the price of the item by $5 every 14 days, but we want to set the lowest price that we want to sell this item for to $15. At the bottom, you can also enable the allow offers, which will let you quick sell the item if you choose to. This will just give you some added flexibility. So just to quickly recap, you now know how to connect your eBay store, push winning products, tweak your listings, and start showing up in real buyer searches, all while spending nada on ads. So yeah, I made sales by accidents, and that was all I needed to realize that marketplaces are stupidly under-realized for anyone that is just thinking Shopify. So if you're only running your business through Shopify or Sell Shop and you're not taking advantage of marketplaces, you're literally leaving money on the table. So start using them like today. I'll drop a 20% discount link in the description so you can start selling on eBay with Sell the Trend 100% for free today. And if this video helped you open up your eyes a bit, smash that like button and drop a comment and tell me which marketplace are you actually using right now to scale your dropshipping business. And if this whole idea of getting free traffic from eBay got you excited just a little bit, then check out this video next. It's about another hidden and totally forgotten method for getting free traffic to your store. Hardly anyone talks about it, but I did in this video right here, and it's absolutely crazy. And that's it for me. Until next time, power to you and the people.